my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are an old subscriber, thank you so much. Today's tutorial is not about makeup. I'm unboxing my new ring light. I have been wanting to buy a ring light for so long, but alhamdulillah, today I have my ring light with me, which I ordered on Jolly Chick. Yes, I ordered it on the 16th of last month, but the delivery company in my country delayed it, so I just received it today. I'm very happy. Okay, let's get to the video. This is my new ring light. Okay, let's see. I have already opened it to make things easier. I have my tripod like this. Let's see. Wow. Okay. Let's put this down. And it came out with a bag. The reason why I ordered mine on Jolly Chick is that they do cash on delivery, and I wanted to pay everything in cash, so that's why I ordered it on Jolly Chick. Trust me, this video is not sponsored, but they are very good. I mean, their customer service is very good. When I was having problem tracking my items, I spoke with them. I messaged them and they replied. This is the adapter, and I have this with this. That's nice. And the main thing itself. And I ordered some brushes as well. I have my this. So let's see if I can fix it. Okay, here we go. Like this. I don't want it to be too long. This here. This right here. Let me bend it like this. Trust me, I'm still struggling with fixing it. How I wish I had a ring light long time, but I was very broke by that time. Now the adapter. Okay, I finally did it. Yes guys, I went ahead and ordered these brushes from them. Is it Zoria? Yes, Zoria brushes. Wow, they are very soft. I think they are good. I love the brushes. Yes, this video is not sponsored, and I have this. As for this, when I saw it online, it was big. They were big, but trust me, this is what I got. Ah, they are also good. I love the texture. It's 6 pieces brush. I'll use it in my next video for you guys to see how it is. But I love everything about the size, the brushes, I mean everything. I'm very happy about everything. The ring light is superb. I saw some review when people were complaining they didn't get this item, when it was missing, this was missing, but alhamdulillah, I got everything and I'm very happy. I dedicate this video to my friend Farida Harun. I appreciate all your love and support you gave me back then. I'm even becoming teary. Yes, I appreciate everything you have been doing to me since then, and I love you so much. Bye.